If you're looking for a comprehensive, powerful AI tool to skyrocket your marketing campaigns, then you need to hear about Call2Action AI. This just released software is making waves for a reason, and today I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know before jumping in. Stick with me till the end, and I'll share how you can try it for free. Trust me, you won't want to miss that. Now, let's dive right in. Call2Action AI is designed to help businesses automate and optimize their marketing efforts. Whether you're running email campaigns, handling customer engagement, or setting up your sales funnel, this software is engineered to simplify everything for you. But what really sets Call2Action AI apart from its competitors? Well, it's all about the level of personalization and the insights it gives you. It's one thing to have an AI tool, but it's another to have one that tailors everything to your specific needs. One of the standout features is its ability to analyze customer behavior in real time and provide actionable insights based on that data, instead of just blindly sending out mass emails or generic ads. Call2Action AI helps you craft content that actually speaks to your audience. And we're talking about highly targeted, dynamic content that can shift based on how the recipient engages with your previous messages. This is like having a team of marketing experts behind the scenes, working 24/7. The software also comes with an intuitive dashboard that makes managing campaigns a breeze. It doesn't matter if you're a newbie or a seasoned marketer. You'll appreciate how simple it is to track your performance. The interface is designed to be sleek and user-friendly, but don't be fooled. It's packed with powerful features that you can dive into when you're ready to get more advanced with your strategies. Let's talk automation. If you've been using AI tools for a while, you know that automation is key. Call2Action AI doesn't just automate, it personalizes automation to a level most tools don't even come close to. Imagine sending follow-up emails that feel 100% tailored to each recipient. With Call2Action AI, it automatically adjusts based on user actions and provides timely, personalized messages. This boosts engagement and ultimately your conversion rates. Another huge benefit is how Call2Action AI seamlessly integrates with your existing systems. If you're already using popular tools like CRM software or social media platforms, you won't have to spend hours setting up. It's quick, efficient, and gets you up and running fast. Plus, the platform offers multi-channel marketing capabilities, meaning you can automate your outreach across email, text, and social media, all from one place. Now, what's more, is the AI's ability to predict future trends. It's not just reactive, it's proactive. Based on your data, it forecasts the most effective strategies to use moving forward, allowing you to stay ahead of the curve. If you've been looking for a way to future-proof your marketing efforts, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. The last thing you need to know is the cost. Call2Action AI offers an incredible free trial, so you can test everything out for yourself before committing to a subscription. After trying thousands of AI tools, I can honestly say this is one of the most accessible options, with a straightforward pricing model that ensures you're getting great value for the money. Before you go, I want to remind you that you can try Call2Action AI for free using the first link in the description below. I've reviewed countless AI software tools, and this one stands out as one of the best. Don't forget to check out my other recommended AI tools, also available for free in the description. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more of the latest in AI tools and marketing solutions. You won't want to miss the next video.